Ka Sorkar jala kala Mynjur ya ka Meghalaya Village Defence Organization rule ajar pesan, but kyntiew ru ya ka jingsiew ni allowance na lade ya ki Village Defence Party VDP na kalai spat tingka syakalai hajar tingka. Ya ka ni ka rai la shim ha ka jingalang jong ka kinhun menteri ha ka arkandai trik risau ha po ka jingalam jong menteri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ki sangma. Habakaran Syllad pynkupbor hadin ka jingalang Menteri Sorkar but no aiktien ka Sorkar MDA oba wailat miki shla ulo ong baka ni ka rule ka batmai ka batay ki benta ber ki jingkit kli jong ki VDP ha ki benta bapher na ka jala sya ki district ka kyntiew ya ka ni ka jingsiew ni allowance lakmi lenti bakan ai mensim bat pensluri ki VDP bakin mi syakmat bat rishitom shu kamtam ban shimkya ha ka bayade bat ki kam snew halor udrok ber ka jingsngan hakithan khapun ni kwa e ki VDP bakin trekam bha kamtam kumba phitib bangi mat ki jing e na ki jingmi jong ki kam snew udrok but what hakithan khapun ni kerman bada ka ni ka kendon an ka bathamai nga tharaingen la bun pensluri ki shnong ki thaw bakin thawi ki Village Defence Party VDP ong uba wailan Menteri ula aiksai ru baka Sorkar ka don ru ya jingthmu ban penthamai no ya rukam trekam jong ki VDP da ka bapen bengai ki da ki uniform ki walkie talkie bat ki rukam pen ithu ki bajanai Henry ula kentaj pat ban penpau halor ka jingpenyo ki tiar ya le bat banjur baka Sorkar kadang train na ka benta ban pynkupbor ki VDP kenang bakin la ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongsngan hakit han ki jongki
Today we passed this Meghalaya Village Defence Organization Rule 2025, where we already specify the role of the chief since from the state, district up to different levels. So definitely we'll be sharing with you the whole details of the rule. So but definitely there are we have increased the out of pocket from we usually 300, now it's going to be 3,000. Which we really hope that it will really encourage the people with our VDPs. So definitely we want to see that our VDP active, especially and in today's time, as you know that we are facing the challenges of crime and drugs and even in border areas. So that's why it means like we hope that with these new rules, then I think we will really be able to encourage our villages to form the village defense party, permanent party. Say weapon, but we from the in the rule also itself it has mentioned that we will try to modernize thing. We will try to help them with some kind of uniform, some kind of walkie-talkie, and some with the proper with this IDs and all. So definitely that is on mind, but we cannot say weapon, but definitely we are on that line. It is. I think it's approved by the cabinet today. So I think very soon it will be implemented.